Personal Capital Robo-advisor for investing honest review? Watch before using. Personal Capital's Robo-advisor is a hybrid service that combines automated investing with human financial advisors. Unlike traditional robo-advisors that rely solely on algorithms, Personal Capital offers a tailored investment strategy, integrating tax optimization, smart weighting, and dynamic portfolio rebalancing. It's designed for high net worth individuals, requiring a $100,000 minimum investment, making it less accessible for beginners. The platform focuses on long-term, diversified investing with a mix of stocks, bonds, and alternative assets. Its key advantage is tax optimization, including tax loss harvesting and tax-efficient allocation. The free financial tools provide an in-depth analysis of cash flow, budgeting, and retirement planning. But the paid advisory service is where the true value lies. Fees start at 0.89% for portfolios under $1 million, which is higher than competitors like Betterment or Wealthfront. However, in return, you get dedicated advisors and personalized wealth management. If you're a hands-off investor with a high balance seeking professional oversight, it's a solid option. But for lower budget investors, the fees may outweigh the benefits. Also, unlike competitors, Personal Capital doesn't offer socially responsible investing (SRI) options, which might be a deal breaker for some. Overall, Personal Capital is best suited for those with substantial assets looking for a hybrid advisory model rather than a pure robo-advisor experience. If you want a lower-cost, fully automated robo-advisor, this may not be the right choice. If you fit the target audience, it's a powerful wealth management tool. Just be sure you're comfortable with the fees.